Welcome to Taranker. Today, we'll show you how to navigate our platform to find the best marketing apps for your Wix store. Whether you're looking to enhance your social media presence, drive traffic, or boost sales, Taranker has a curated selection of apps just for you. To get started, go to Taranker's homepage. First, click on Wix Apps. Then, navigate to the Marketing section to see the top apps designed specifically for Wix marketing. Our smart AI technology categorizes these apps, so you can quickly find ones that align with your business goals. The marketing category has everything you need to drive growth and increase engagement with your audience. At the top of the page, you'll see the featured apps. Each one displays key information such as its main features and overall rating, helping you identify high-quality apps quickly. For apps that catch your eye, you can either click Try for free to test them out or Compare to evaluate them side by side with similar apps. Especially, you can click Claim Offer button to apply for exclusive deals from Taranker. Taranker makes it easy to find apps that suit your needs with our quick access navigation buttons. You'll find categories like Deals for top apps offering exclusive deals available only on Taranker, Top free apps for no-cost options, and Top best apps for highly recommended ones. These filters help you browse popular app lists, so you don't have to spend hours searching for the right solution. Looking for specific features in an app? Use our sorting options to narrow down your choices. You can sort by feature, top rated, most popular, or even by price and date. On the left side, you'll find a related categories section, where similar app recommendations are displayed. This makes it easy to explore other types of apps that might support your marketing strategy. Below that, the price filter allows you to view all free or premium apps, so you can make a choice based on your budget. User reviews are a valuable source of insight. Taranker allows you to filter apps by user ratings, with options like All Rated, 4 stars and up, or 3 stars and up to find high-rated apps that fit your quality standards. Finally, scroll down to the Other Categories section to discover additional tools that could be useful for your store. This section helps you find even more apps that could complement your marketing strategy. Exploring this section can open up opportunities to enhance your store's overall performance. With Taranker's robust search, filtering, and comparison tools, choosing the best Wix marketing app has never been easier. Visit Taranker.com and explore our ranked and compared Wix marketing apps to find the perfect fit for your store. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips.